We continue our coverage on your gallon of gas with a Skip York of Wood MacKenzie. Skip, do you drive a Tesla?
No.
Okay, I go over to Whole Foods or whatever, and they got in the atrium there at Central Park and Time Warner Center a Tesla, and everybody looks at it and they're touching like that. Is Elon Musk and Tesla the biggest threat to oil stability out there? Can it really gain traction?
Well, I think if you want to threaten the oil complex, you need to threaten transportation fuel, and that's where Tesla would fit. Yeah. The advantage that oil has is the car fleet that already runs on an internal combustion engine is just so massive.
Yeah, we said that about buggy whips as well.
Yeah, but it takes decades for it to penetrate. But I think that's sort of when you think about the end of oil, it is going to be a transportation solution that is not run on hydrocarbons.
Is it then T. Boone Pickens and Nat Gas, or is it Elon Musk and Tesla? And what do the people like you, I mean, is there a strategy group in Houston going, what do we do in 10 years?
Well, within Wood MacKenzie, we do have a group within each of our sectors, whether it's oil or gas, and then we've got an overarching group, and we ask ourselves, what are the global trends? It's what's over the horizon that's possible.
Yeah.
Whether it's an electric vehicle or is it solar coming into power generation.
Yeah, I noticed that in your note that you talked about the possibility of some new energy innovation, but not of real government intervention. We have this climate summit coming up in Paris. Are your macro people pricing in the possibility of any kind of regulation, gas tax, carbon trading scheme?
We do price in a bit of a carbon tax in our power and natural gas.
Okay.
On the oil side, we're still working off that transportation, which is probably going to be a bit more carbon, immune to a carbon policy than, say, power generation.
Okay, Skip York with us with Woods MacKenzie.